Before we begin, I need you to do one quick thing. It's free, it's painless, it's effortless. Just hit that subscribe button, and once you're done with that, hit that bell button to be notified whenever I upload. Good morning, guys. Well, it's morning here. It's almost 9 a.m. and I'm on my way to braid my hair. I actually came to one place, but they're not around, so I'm going to check out another place. I want to do twists, so hopefully they'll let me record and then we'll see what's going on. Bye. This salon here, that was the second salon I had gone to that day. The first one was closed, and this one, they were just too expensive. They wanted to charge me 200 Ghana cedis for twists, so I was like, nah. And I bought the hair from them a week before. That was 80 cedis for the hair. Oh, and the hair already comes in the ombre form. There's no need to mix the colors or anything like that. How many packs did I buy? 6, I believe. That amounted to 80 Ghana cedis. Yeah, it was 3 for 40 cedis. I know 6 sounds like a lot of hair, but then it's actually way smaller than the regular braiding hair we're used to. This salon I ended up braiding my hair at was the 4th one I went to, and the 3rd salon, they couldn't really get the twist right because the texture of the hair was like rubbery. So everybody actually complained about the hair, but this 4th place I went to, they were able to do it. But I had some issues with them. First of all, they cut the hair the wrong way, so my colors were changed. The hair didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to. But hey, I had already sat down, they had already cut the hair. There's no way I was leaving that place. Just a quick fun fact, this is the 5th time I'm getting my hair professionally braided in 7 years. And that's because since coming to Malaysia, I started doing my hair myself, and I actually preferred it that way. Because whenever I go to the salon, they either don't listen to what you want, or they'll cut your hair when they're neatening it, and they'll just part your hair and it's painful, you know? So many things. They don't like to listen generally, so I just prefer doing my own hair myself. But since I was in Ghana, I decided why not, so I went to get my hair done. Do you guys see the way the colors are mixed here? It's actually not supposed to be mixed that way, but because it was cut the wrong way by the stylist when I got there, they messed up the pattern. It was supposed to be like black, fade into the pink, and then fade into the blue. And the person tilted the hair, cut one side, and then tried to reposition the hair. So obviously the colors are not going to be the same. If you know me, you know I like my colored hair, and I don't play with my colored hair at all. So I actually bought 2 packs of black to pink to blue, and then another 2 packs of black to blue, then another 2 packs of black to purple. And I had planned how the hair is going to look on my head, everything like that. But anyway, I could tell it wasn't going to be the exact vision I had in my mind, so I just had to suck it up, honestly. So that's what I did. I detest mixed colors, you know, like when you can see the mixture of 2 colors. I don't like that at all, but it is what it is, so that's it. You know, after everything, they did give me a discount because they messed up the hair. They weren't braiding the ends right. They were doing 3-3 at the ends, and it was just like so big and so ugh. Oh my gosh. They didn't want to give me a price. They were telling me that they had to finish braiding the hair first. My sister came. Shout out to Mimi. Mimi came over. She was not amused at all, like what was happening in my head, because I told her the whole story. It's all about how I was telling the lady that, yo, you guys are not cutting this thing right. They wanted to charge me 95 cedis, but I ended up paying 80 cedis and plus 2 cedis for the combs. The lady who had the scissors in her hand was so adamant, and she wasn't listening to me or the lady who, like the other stylist who knew exactly what I was talking about. She just literally cut the hair and spouted. I did speak, but the one with the scissors who run the scissors through the hair had already done it. So that was that. But then the last 2 packs, which she hadn't cut, thankfully, I said, no, don't cut this one. Just leave it like that. Just leave it. Just leave it. And so they left it. And then they braided it as it was. And another thing, you know what else they did? I gave them a specific length that I wanted the hair to be. Like just at my lower back, right? Before my butt crack. Sorry for the visualization, but you get the length I wanted, right? Watch to the end and see the length that the hair came to. Like, oh my gosh. When they started braiding it, it was where I said I wanted it to be. So they started from the back and then on the sides. And then when they got to the top, not knowing, they just made it so long. So long. So now the hair is heavy, and I mostly just leave it down or keep it in a bun, like a high bun on top of my head. I'm not sure if you guys can see how tight the front is, but they really put every single hair inside. So even before I left the salon, I just pulled my hair out slowly because the tension was just too much. Like if I tried to frown, it's just too tight. When they were braiding, I honestly didn't feel that, but once they finished, I couldn't. And that's because they braided it towards the front of my face. But once they put the hair back, that's when I felt the real pain. It took a while for me to adjust to the length, I'm not gonna lie. This is the second time I've had hair this long, and I didn't want it this length, so I have to like get used to it. But I've gotten used to it now, and now I'm like, you know, flipping my hair and all that stuff. But that's not what I wanted, which brings me to the point like before. They just don't listen. But anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. I know there was quite an amount of negativity, but that was my experience when I went to get my hair braided. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. God bless. Bye.